Hello everyone, welcome to episode 3 on how to make a maze game in Scratch. I had to republish this video because the previous episode 3 video it was lagging like anything. So let's let's start the tutorial. So in the previous episode we were coding lava like this. So in this episode I will be showing you how to create moving platforms and animated lava. So let's get started. Sorry, it's moving lava and animated lava, not moving platforms. Okay, so I'll just create my level 5. Okay, this is my level 5. For level 5, I'll position my portal here. When level is equal to 5, go to this position. Okay, now let's create our moving lava. So make a new sprite called m lava 1, which means moving lava 1. This is our first moving lava. Okay, so make this red. Also have a good thickness. I'm gonna make it a little bit more smaller. Yeah, this is good. Also, please make sure to position it at the center of the canvas. Great. Now let's create the main custom block for uh, moving lava. Create a new block. Call it positive move. Put a colon and then put start x. And then put an input called start x. And then a label called start y. And then an input also called start y. And then a label called end x, and then an input called end x, then speed and speed. The reason I'm not keeping end y is because this is for the the horizontal movement. We will be coding the vertical movement later in this tutorial, this episode. So this is the positive movement of the moving lava. Let's create a negative block. Negative move x colon start x input start x label start y input start y and x input and x, then label speed and then even input speed. Okay, now I want to show this only when it's in level 5. So when green flag clicked, forever, if then else, if level is equal to 5, then show, else hide. Okay, now let's code the positive move x. So basically its starting position should be uh, start x and start y, and then repeat until x position is equal to end x, which means the ending position, and then to trigger the speed we'll keep change x by speed. And yeah, now let's code a negative move x, and remove all these and replace it with these inputs. And then for the change x, put speed multiplied by -1. So this move x goes right and this move x goes left. So take a new script, make a new script, call it, then put if level is equal to 5, and put positive move x first and then the negative move x. So starting position of my m lava 1 will be x minus 121, y 84, and the end x will be minus 13. Okay, let's keep even numbers. Make sure you keep even numbers. So minus 20, 84, and then minus 12. The reason I'm keeping even numbers is because my speed is 2. So your number should be divisible by your speed. And then the negative start. So it goes right, but now it needs to go left. So we'll use the negative move x block. So the start x now will be minus 13, then y 87, sorry 84. Let's just keep the y as the same thing, and then the end x will be minus 12, no sorry, minus 120, because that's the start x of our positive move x. Okay, now let's test if this works. And now if instead of going through the full maze, just click the green flag and then set the level to 5. Okay, that's weird. Okay, we forgot to put the speed. Put the speed to 2. Now let's test. As you can see, it's working. What's the index? Okay guys, so as I said earlier, make sure to put even numbers. So I had kept minus 13 here, which is not acceptable. So let's just test this again. Okay, so great, it works. Now let's put the death triggering of the player when it touches the M lava 1. So if touching M lava 1, then go to starting position, which means it will die. So let's see if this works. Okay, great, it works. Now let's put the vertical moving lava as I said earlier. Just duplicate this sprite and then it'll be named as mlava2. So let me just create my level 7 real quick. Okay, so I created my level 7 and I'll position my portal here. So and level is equal to 6. Go to this position. Also go to your lava sprite, your normal lava. And then as we don't have any lava in level 5 and 6, just create new costumes for level 5 and 6 and make them blank. Just to be on the safe side. Okay. So now let's work on our vertical moving lava. So just replace all the x's with y. Move positive move y. Start y. Start y. Then oh sorry. Let this be start x. This also be start x. But from here just change it to start y, like end y here and then end y. Okay, I think we needed to change only those. So let's do the same thing to the negative movement. Move y. Uh, and end y. Okay. Now let's start here. So repeat until y position is equal to end y, and then change y by speed. Great. Double check it, and then repeat until y position is equal to end y, and change y by speed. Sorry, change y into speed into negative y. Now when the level is equal to 6, um, the starting position will be okay. So I'll just make this go upwards. Okay, so the starting position is too big. And I'll just modify this. Okay guys, I have modified my level now. So now let's so I'm gonna put my M lava to starting position here. God. Which is going to be x29 y minus 32. It's shown 33, but let's keep 32 as it's an even number. And end y 57, so we'll keep 56 or 58. I'll keep 56, and then start x for this will be the same, minus 32, and but the start y will be 56 as it's the end y of the positive move y, and then the end y will be 28. Okay, so this 29 should become 28. Oh wait, sorry. Uh, okay, I made a mistake. Start x will be the same, so it's 28. Start y will be 56. Then here end y will be minus 32. Okay, so now let's see if this works. So if the level is equal to 6, it should show. Okay, so that works. So when the player is touching M lava 2, will die. Great. Now let's create animated lava, which is the final thing for this tutorial, for this episode. So first create a new level. Okay, I'll just create my level quickly. I've created my level. I'll just position my portal to the same place. So when level is equal to 7, it will be in the same position as it was in the previous level. And now let's create our M lava 2. I mean A lava 1. And as this is animated, this is going to be needing frames. So I'm just going to call this costume as F1, which means frame 1. So the first frame will begin small, and the second one will become more big, and as the frame increases it will be bigger. Okay, now let's make the frame decrease its size. Now let's make the lava decrease its size. So I'm going to duplicate the frame 6 to get frame 8, frame 5 to get frame 9, and then frame 4 for frame 10, and so on. And our last frame will be my last frame will be frame 13. Okay, so I'm gonna position this here. So this is only going to show when it's in level 7. Okay. Now let's make the custom block to animate it. So animate cause input for costume and then an input for the delay. So delay is required for animation, but the less delay you keep, more smoothly the animation will run. So first switch costume to frame 1 and then repeat until costume number is equal to the end costume, and then wait delay seconds. Next costume, so the delay we're keeping will be very small. So when the green flag is clicked forever, let's check if the level is equal to 7. Then animate the number animate till the last frame you have, so which in my case it's going to be 13, as you can see here. And then the delay we'll keep is going to be very small, 0.03 seconds. So now let's trigger the death. So if touching A lava 1, then go to starting position and let's test it. As you can see, it's animating. Okay, it works. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. In episode 4, I will be showing you how to create challenging obstacles such as slowing squares and reverse controls. So stay tuned by subscribing and leaving a like to this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.